Good morning, dear student. Let us start the class. Today we are going to continue what we have done in the last class, that is the workbook of the chapter multiplication. In this chapter, today we are going to look in the topic that is the finding the missing number in the lattice algorithm. Lattice algorithm we are already aware of. Okay, so it is a box where we have to put the numbers and we have to find the product. Then there is a topic called mental math techniques multiplication, where we have already got in the textbook, but we are going to discuss questions and we are going to practice more questions compared to the textbook. The textbook, there is a less number of questions than the workbook. And then for the practice questions we are going to discuss tomorrow in the next class. And before starting the class, before going to practice the question in the workbook, I have a thing to say to all of you. As the unit tests are approaching, you already know the syllabus. You already know the syllabus of each subject, I suppose. So for maths we required, I have already given in the group also. For maths we require the chapter addition and subtractions and multiplication. Both the textbook and the workbook are required, are needed. And you have to upload your answer sheet in the Google Classroom. Okay, everything will happen in the Google Classroom. So I request every student, don't give the answer sheets in the WhatsApp. Okay, give the answer sheet in the Google Classroom. And there is two options there how to upload the question. First is was the stream. You can stream, you can post your PDF file or your assignment, but it has been blocked now. Only the teachers can upload there. So stream is blocked. So where you are going to upload? You are going to upload in the classwork. Okay, there is another term that is called classwork. Go to classwork, then you go to assignment. Okay, select the PDF file, select the attachment, then you hand in. Okay, this is the way of uploading in the Google Classroom. Many students have called me. I have told them also. Again, I am saying today, you have to upload your answer sheet in the Google Classroom, not in WhatsApp like the PT1 exam. Okay, I hope it is clear with you. If you still have doubt regarding Google Classroom, you can call me or you can message me. Alright students, so let us start the class. So children, we are going to do the workbook of page number 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, so 4 pages we are going to do here. Let us start the class. Find the missing number in the given lattice multiplication. So the lattice is given, the multiplication is also done, everything is done, but we have to find the missing number. Now where is the missing number? The missing number is here, the question mark is given here. Okay, so let us find out how to do that and what is the answer. Now look at the first number. When we are doing lattice algorithm, we are multiplying with the number, isn't it? Like that. Then we are coming to the second number, 4 has been multiplied with the number. Now with 8 and 4, what we have to multiply, that we are getting 72 and 36. So I have written the first question here, the product of 8 and dash equals to 72. So in the multiplication table of 8, suppose 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Okay, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40. Okay, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, and 8 into 10 80. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So with 8 we have to multiply 9, then we are getting 72. Similarly, the product of, what is the next number? 4. 4 with what you will multiply, that you are getting 36. So in the multiplication table of 4, 4 into 9. Okay, 4 into 9 we are getting 36. That means the answer will be 9 here. Okay, 8, now you can check. 8 9 is 72, 8 2 is 16, 9 4 is 36, 4 2 is 8. Okay, so the missing number is 9. So you can write missing number equals to 9. But sometimes in the lattice the question mark will change the places. Sometimes it might come here, here, or here. So you have to find a number. or sometimes it might be within the lattice also. So don't get confused. The only the thing we required here is the correct multiplication table. So children, I am requesting again and again, and I am saying please study, please memorize the multiplication table at least in 10, because you cannot do multiplication without the tables. Alright. Find the missing number in the given lattice multiplication. So the question mark is where? It is here. We have to find out. So 9 into 7, 63. And 9 with what you will add here will get 18. So we can write here 2 for now. Let us check with the second number. 7 into 2, 14. And 2 2 is a 4. You can write a statement of your own like that. So the product of 9 and dash equals to 18. You can write 2. The product of 2 and dash equals to 4. You can write 2. And the missing number equals to 2. Similarly, you can proceed this also. Here the question mark is here. Check out the answer and do yourself. Now the next topic is mental math techniques. Let us look at the question. The product of 5 and 5 is. So product is already we know the answer, and 5 and 5 means 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is how much? 25. The correct option is D. Give tick mark in D. The product of 9 and 5 is 45. The product of 4 and 8 is 32. Option number B. The product of 3 and 3 is 9. Option A. Okay. Similarly, the product of 4 and 10 is 40. The product of 10 and 10. So 10 into 10, how will you do? 10 into 10. First multiply with 0. 0, 0 into 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. And 1 into 1, 1. So 0 will come here. 0 plus 0, 0, 1. The answer is 100. So the correct answer is C. The product of 2 and 9 is 18. The product of 7 and 9 is 63. You can find out of your own. Till question number 14, do yourself. The next question is multiply 21 into 4. So we have to multiply 21 into 4. If you have problem multiplying horizontally in the rough, in the side, you can do what? You take 21 into 4. So 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8. The answer will be 84. Similarly, do question number B, C and D by yourself. Here also question number 16 you have to do yourself. Now some word problems are given here. First question is, there are 5 biscuits in a packet. How many biscuits are there in 4 such packet? So no need to write the statement. There is also no place here. Okay. So we can say number of biscuits in a packet equals to 5 and number of packets equal to 4. If one packet has got 5 biscuits in 4 packets, how many you will do? This you can do addition also, but addition will take a lot of time. So it is much more easier to do the to get the answer using the multiplication. So 5 into 4 equals to 20 biscuit. Okay. Kavita studies for 6 hours in a day. Calculate the number of hours she studies in a week. So in a week we know how many days are there? 7 days. How many days? 7. So in one day how many hours? 6 hours into 7 you do, because 7 days are there in a week. 6 7s are 42 hours. Amit has 90 coins of 2 rupees 2. Calculate the total amount of money with him. Okay, so Amit has how many coins? 90 coins of rupees 2. So calculate the total amount of money with him. The next question is, Amit has 90 coins of rupees 2. Calculate the total amount of money with him. So how much you got? 90 into rupees 2. So there's a money involved. The unit of money is this sign. This is called a rupee sign. Okay, sorry, the 0 is not there. Okay, so 90 into 2. So 90 into 2 we get 180. Since the question is about money, you have to give the rupee sign. Ravi's father bought 8 cartons of grapes. Each carton has 15 kg of apples. How many kilograms of grapes did he buy? So in the next term, before term 2, you will be getting all the questions related to units. Unit is used for different things. For length, it is meter, centimeter. Okay, so money, it is rupee. So these are the units used to describe a particular number, the particular amount or value. Okay, so Ravi's father bought 8 cartons. Okay, how many he bought? 8 cartons. In one carton, each means 1. In mathematical term, each means 1. Okay, So each carton has how many grapes? 15. So you multiply 8 into 15. What is the answer you get? 120. The answer is 120. But remember one thing, children, the unit is kilogram. So you write kilograms here. Similarly, the number for 180 you have written rupee. So this word is the weight. So it is kilograms. Or kilogram is short for kg also. You can write 180 kg. Now question number 21. Find the answer by adding the products. Here we have to do what? Mental multiplication. Which is the bigger number? 14. 14 I will split into two numbers. 10 plus 4. Okay. So 10 you multiply with 7 equals to 70. And 4 you multiply with 7. 7 4 is a 28. So the answer will be 70 plus 28 equals to 98. Similarly, you can do this also. Okay, 16 and 8 and 13 into 9. So these are the various questions of the mental math techniques and the missing number. Okay, children, I'm revising again. For the missing number in a lattice algorithm, we have to follow the question mark, find the product in this way. Okay, and for the mental math techniques, the product is the answer and n is 5 and n is here multiplication in the chapter. Okay, these are the questions. The units used are for money is rupee, the weight is kilogram. Okay, children, so these are the points you have to remember. Others are all easy. You have already done in the textbook and also in the last year, that is in class 3. Okay, so I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day.